Hi students, today we are going to do synthetic division and the long division of polynomials. We'll get same answers for both of them. Let's start with synthetic division first. Here is our polynomial 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 26x minus 24. We have to divide it with the factor that is x minus 4. So by taking x minus 4, putting it equal to 0, we get our x, that is 4. So we are going to divide by 4. So we will write all the constants here. From 2x cubed we will get 2, then minus 13, then plus 26, then minus 24. First term comes down as it is. Then we are going to multiply 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 13 plus 8 would be minus 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Here is the minus sign, so that's why minus 20. 26 minus 20 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 24 plus 20 is 0. I mean minus 24 plus 24. How can we write this? 6 minus 5x and 2x squared. This procedure remains same. First we get constant, then the first degree of x, and then second degree of x. Now we'll move forward towards the long division and we'll get the same answer for that. So writing it in the long division form, x minus 4 outside and 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 26x minus 24 inside. Now we have to check by which number, if we multiply x minus 4, we get the x power cube and then x power squared. So I have chosen 2x squared. 2x squared multiply 4 would be 8x squared with the minus sign, and then 2x squared multiply x would be 2x cube. So x times 2x squared would be 8x, 2x cube, and then minus 4 times 2x squared would be minus 8x squared. Now we have to subtract them, that means signs would be changed. First term gets cancelled, then we have minus 13 plus 8 means minus 5x squared. 26x goes down. Now we have to find a number by which if we multiply we get x to the power square. So x minus 4 multiplied with 5x, we get 5 times 1 is 5, and then x times x is x squared, minus 5 times 4 is 20, and then x. So we get 5x on the top, but we have to get minus 5x, that's why I'm putting a minus sign over there. So x times minus 5x would be minus 5x squared. Then minus 4 times minus 5x would be 20x with a positive sign. Now we are going to subtract them, changing of signs, and then 5x squared gets cancelled. We get 6x squared, 6x here. And then 24 comes down. You have to find 6. We have x minus 4 over there, so we have just need a 6 to make it 6x. So x times 6 would be 6x, and minus 4 times 6 would be minus 24. Subtracting again, we got 0, so there is no remainder left. So our equation is 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. That is exact same answer that we got with synthetic division. So hope you understood. If you have any queries, you can ask me.